Ever needed a specific piece of data from your WhatsApp conversations and realized it's not exactly easy to pull together when you actually need it? With Periskope, you can access and export all that data in just a few clicks. Head over to the Analytics dashboard and navigate to Data Exports. This is where you can export different types of data across your workspace, including chats, tickets, messages, phone numbers, chat actions, and call logs, all with detailed metadata to help you actually make sense of it later. Starting with chat exports, you can export complete chat history along with timestamps and chat metadata. You can choose a specific date range, whether that's the last few hours, days, or a custom range, or skip it entirely and download the full history. You can also filter by chat type, like group or one-on-one chats, depending on what you're analyzing. On top of that, you have the option to export in either simplified or legacy formats and choose how you want to receive the data, either as a direct download or via email. Ticket exports follow a similar structure, but are focused on support performance. Here, you can export ticket information, sorting them by status and priority. This makes it easier to review how issues are being handled and whether your team is closing tickets efficiently. With message exports, you get even more granular control over communication data. You can export detailed message data, including message body, timestamps, and metadata. You also have the option to filter specifically for flagged messages or even messages that have been deleted, making this especially useful for reviewing sensitive or unresolved conversations. Phones export is more straightforward, but still important. It allows you to export phone number data along with associated metadata, including both currently connected and previously disconnected numbers, giving you a complete view of your contact base. Moving on to chat actions export, this is where you can track changes within chats over time. You can export chat action history for member additions, removals, and role changes like promotions or demotions. This is particularly useful for audit trails and understanding how your team structure evolves within conversations. Finally, call logs export gives you access to your organization's call history. This includes both audio and video calls made and received, along with relevant details, all within your selected date range, helpful for tracking communication beyond just messages. So from now on, instead of scrambling for data when you need it most, you'll always have it ready, organized, detailed, and easy to work with. Want to try it out for yourself? Try Periskope using the link in the description. Thanks for watching.